My goodness. Do you know I just want to wear ordinary things like this and come out without a jacket? Hey, because inside seems as if it's not cold like this. It's cold though. Oh my god, I wish I now would have used my normal jacket. I'm feeling cold and I cannot climb up again. I wear a jacket, you know this is half, right? But hello my people. How you on a day? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? So we arrived at Aura. So I enter motor, you know, say time don't go. So trying to meet up time. I'll talk to you later. Hello my people, this is where, yeah, good to see you again. What's that?
زعراني يفتحون التلفون بالموسيقى
ما بيصير
والله تو اخطفوا الجزدان مرة يعني.
It's okay, I know. Now you gone the first.
2,000 years later.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? You are fine? You are good? How was your night? How is your day? How is your morning? How is your evening? Welcome back once again. Thank you for all your support, all your love, all your, you know, everything that you have done, yeah, to me. God bless you. I so much appreciate. Yeah, without wasting time, we are going to make chicken pie. Okay, we are going to make chicken pie today. So I wanted to, you know, introduce you to what we are going to use to make the chicken pie. I'm going to boil the chicken. This is the first thing. All right. After the chicken, we have puff pastry. All right. Of course, we are going to need flour, and again we have mushroom. Sorry, we have mushroom, 2 cans. All right, and of course we have we need some milk. All right. So, and of course we are going to need butter, and also we make use of cheese. Sorry, this is pork cheese. We are going to use pork cheese. It depends what you want to use for yours, and of course black pepper, white pepper, what again, and of course we have here nutmeg. This is nutmeg. So that's all we need, and so stay tuned, and yeah. All right, now I will talk to you later. Yes, we have London. We have a lot of London. We have so much London. The Lord is our strength. The joy of the Lord is my 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 strength. Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. So I thought I name. Sorry. All right. See you later.
Look. Turn on push mode. Okay, turn to the river.
Onye na me manda kwi ko dem na ta ye.